Understanding AI literacy, a guide for the everyday person. In today's fast-paced digital world, artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, AI impacts how we communicate, learn, and make decisions. But what does it mean to be AI literate, and why is it essential for everyone? Here's a simple guide to help you understand AI literacy and its importance. What is AI literacy? AI literacy refers to the understanding of AI technologies, how they work, and their implications for society. It goes beyond mere familiarity. It encompasses the ability to critically evaluate AI systems and their applications, recognize their limitations, and understand their ethical implications. Why is AI literacy important? 1. Informed decision-making. With AI influencing many aspects of our lives, understanding its capabilities helps individuals make informed choices, whether it involves using AI in personal life, at work, or for civic engagement. 2. Career opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, many jobs now require at least a basic understanding of AI technologies. Being AI literate can enhance career prospects and adaptability in an uncertain job market. 3. Critical thinking. AI literacy fosters critical thinking about the information and recommendations generated by AI systems, enabling people to assess whether the suggested actions are fair and appropriate. 4th, ethical awareness. Understanding AI's impact includes recognizing ethical issues like bias, privacy concerns, and the potential for job displacement. AI literacy encourages discussions about responsible use and governance. Building AI literacy. Here are some practical steps to improve your AI literacy. 1. Educate yourself. Start with the basics of AI. Numerous online courses and resources simplify complex concepts. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer free or low-cost courses on AI. 2. Stay informed. Follow reputable news sources and blogs that cover AI developments. Understanding current trends, breakthroughs, and concerns helps frame the conversation around AI. 3. Engage in discussions. Join forums or community groups focused on technology and AI. Engaging with others can provide different perspectives and deepen your understanding. 4th, experiment with AI tools. Familiarize yourself with AI-powered applications such as chatbots or image recognition tools. Practical experience can demystify AI technologies. 5. Understand the limitations. Learn about the strengths and weaknesses of AI. Recognizing that AI is not infallible is crucial to effective use and evaluation. 6. Consider ethical implications. Reflect on the ethical aspects of AI technologies. Questions of bias, transparency, and the social impact of AI should be part of your learning process. AI literacy is not just for tech experts, it's a vital skill for everyone. As AI continues to weave its way into the fabric of society, being AI literate empowers individuals to navigate, evaluate, and participate in the ongoing dialogue about the role of AI in our lives. By improving your understanding of AI, you can harness its potential while advocating for its responsible and ethical use. Embrace the journey towards AI literacy. Your future self will thank you.